I am super excited for today's video. I've been waiting to unbox some of this stuff. We've got a huge amount. We've got like one of the most limited pairs of Jordans. We've got some Yeezys mixed in there. We've also got huge Represent clothing haul. And we've also got some Travis Scott stuff mixed in there. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump into it. So first thing I wanted to do is just kind of go through the stuff that you may or may not have seen, because I've done a review on this right here. These dropped on the 8th, and of course you guys probably have seen it, but of course it is the black Yeezy Foam Runner, or the Onyx colorway I should probably say, because they're not exactly black. Again, full review is out. I just wanted to make sure I got this out before they dropped, so that's why you saw the review before the unboxing. They're gonna get a lot of wear from me personally. Again, I still prefer the sand colorway just because it's lighter. You can see a lot of the different design elements, but I think the all over darker, more black color just makes it seem more alien, more, I guess, futuristic. There's something about this black colorway which is super clean. Now, one thing I will say before we move on to the next one is I do want your guys' help. Let's just solve this mystery once and for all. What size do you buy your foam runners? I have true to size. I've always gone true to size, and that has fit me perfectly, but there are some people who are still saying go up a size. Let's get a nice little sample size, because obviously everybody's feet is different. Everybody wears shoes differently. So yeah, just let me know, what size do you get in your foam runners? All right, last one up for the ones that you have potentially seen or hopefully seen, because this is another one that I did a review on, and of course it is the Elliot 22 slide. This is the desert sand colorway, and you know what, people's interest in these slides is pretty surprising. I mean, there's a lot of people who just, I guess, like the style of it, or are just intrigued in general because it does look super bizarre with the kind of 3D printed look to it. I'm going to be rocking these this summer. I think it's a great colorway. There's plenty of other ones that are also going to be dropping. So let's keep it moving to some stuff that you haven't seen yet. All right, let's get into this, because this is a pair of shoes I won on the last vlog I did. I haven't taken a look at these things yet. I waited for you guys because this is pretty hilarious. So this is a Travis Scott sneaker. Obviously you can tell the box is very small, and that's because this is the children's size. Oh damn, that looks so cool. This is the children's size of the Travis Scott Air Max. What the hell? It's crazy how much detail they can pack onto such a tiny shoe. Someone messaged me on Instagram and asked if he could have these, and I was like, you know what, take them for retail, because he wants them for his daughter. So I'm gonna do him a favor and chuck these for him for his daughter, because hey, that's cool. Pair of Travis's, why not? But yeah, we got them in. Kids Air Maxes are in the building. I guess while we're on the topic of Travis Scott, I got a couple of his clothing items as well, so I might as well show you what we got. I kind of assume this is just going to be like a classic Nike t-shirt with the Travis Scott print on it. This t-shirt is £50, I believe, here in the UK. So yeah, it's got the Travis Scott, or the Cactus Corporation, I should say, logo on the chest there. And it also says Service Center, Houston, Texas. Now, on the back, it also has a print, and that is this right here, Cactus Jack Corp. Maybe I'll throw some B-roll of me trying it on, but yeah. It's okay. It's really just okay. Now, this piece I really didn't expect to actually get, because I enter draws on End Clothing all the time and I never win. This is, I guess, the main piece of clothing that kind of intrigued me. Wow, okay, so this really isn't exactly what I expected. It's not puff or anything. It's just kind of nylon raincoat type of material. Let's see, like, what is the purpose of this thing? Because it's literally just like a chest plate kind of thing. Okay, we'll do that up, and then you get this piece over here. Now, like, I get like puffer vests, or like, you know, gilets. They're cool. I don't really like, this is super cropped. You got your belly button hanging out. You know, what do you wear this with? I guess it kind of looks, it looks a little bit cool. Got good Velcro pieces, really good zipper on it. It's good quality, so yeah, I will say that, but too expensive. Let's get into this one. We got a pair of Yeezys. Now, this one was a complete surprise. Raffle for these was ages ago, so like I think they did some kind of redraw, or like all of the cancelled pairs, they re-raffled them, and somehow I was entered into that. You got the SNS return slip or something over there, just to show you guys that. It's a pair of Yeezy slides. So this is obviously from the last release, which was like 2 weeks ago by now, at least. And this is the Onyx colorway. There you go. Look at that. Foam Runner and the slide, both of these are Onyx. It's practically identical, you know? These are pretty much the exact same colors. Like, I don't think I can tell much of a difference Maybe the foam runner has like a little bit of a different, maybe a little bit more shine because it's not as textured as the slide. I'll wear these. I like these. These are solid. Right, this is one that I mentioned to you guys on upcoming sneakers. So I got these from the Adidas website. Said that these looked very similar to the 700 V2. So you get an extra pair of laces in the box. Very, very retro vibes with this pair of shoes, I will say, for sure. Like, obviously it's not identical, but like you can see the similarities, right? Like with this and this pair, like there are definitely similarities. They feel good, man. They feel really comfy. They feel nice on foot as well. I like these, man. I don't know. There's something really cool about this pair of shoes. This is solid. I mean, I like them. Let me know if you are interested at all in the Orchetro, but it's just a shoe I really wanted to take a look at. All right, we got one more sneaker to get into, and then I'm going to show you guys the little Represent clothing haul I did because they have a huge sale going on. So I picked up a bunch of really dope pieces, which I can't wait to show you guys. But this is another one from Nike Sneakers. This is a lot more recent. This is those limited Jordans I was telling you about. Look at that box. Ma Maniere. There you go. There's that huge Wings logo. So yeah, this box looks very, very similar to the Jordan 3s. You have the same sleeve on it, which has the, I guess, Ma Maniere branding all over it. Very, very premium vibes I'm getting. What's on the inside? There you go. Picture of Jordan jumping. And then the shoes themselves. Damn, these things are heavy. Take a look at that. So on the shoes themselves, here you've got some extra sail laces right there. You've also got some of that Bordeaux or maroon. And yeah, I mean, the freaking craftsmanship on these is super nice. I mean, it all over feels like super rigid because it's like very tough materials. Like you've got this huge plastic tab back here, which is solid. Yeah, so these are not going to be the most comfortable, I'd imagine, in the world, but I mean, nice sock liner, feels very decent. Like, these definitely feel like a whole league above the Union collaboration. The Union collaboration was solid, but it was very light and it just didn't feel as substantial. This feels like a freaking, like something you want to put in a shrine, like an art piece instead of a pair of shoes. I feel like they should have done this colorway on these, and that might have done a little bit more because the ones were solid, but I just feel like people, they love this 3. Anyway, I believe these were extremely limited, or a lot more limited than people thought. I managed to get a W on Nike Sneakers, retail hit, which is insane. I don't know, let me know your experience with these. Maybe people just didn't want to go for it because I know the retail was pretty high. All right, let's get into this Represent haul because we've got a bunch of stuff that I managed to pick up. They've got their Vault sale. Now, a decent amount of it is sold out, but it is still ongoing if you wanted to check out anything. So we're going to kind of speed run through this, but the pieces I got I'm pretty happy with. So this is a pair of cargos. This is, I believe, their military pant in gray. You've got the adjustable ankle areas, super thick, super nice. This is probably going to be a little bit more of like a winter wear for me. I definitely can get away with these right now because it's kind of like spring. It's still a little bit cold outside. Might even be raining right now. But yeah, definitely in the UK, I can get away with these probably even throughout summer. All right, this one is one of my favorite steals that I managed to get. This is a Represent crew neck sweater. And this is the one with the embroidered logo on the front. So as you can see, all of this is embroidered. This I got for 50 bucks, which is incredible. Fit is super nice, super heavyweight. Obviously, you know, Represent is one of the best quality brands. I went with a size medium, so you could just see how that fits on me, nice and oversized. All right, let's stick with the pants because I got another pair of military pants. These, I believe, are a little bit different to the other ones, even though they look like pretty much the same. It's a little bit different material, very slightly different fit as well because they're both size small. This one, again, super thick. I just love the contrast between the all over black pair, but it also has like these chrome zipper pockets, and then it has the white drawstring. Again, this was what, 60, 70 pounds as well, so absolute steal. This right here is just a pair of black joggers. They are super heavyweight, So I kind of like that. Definitely going to be a little bit more of a winter kind of fit thing. Also got adjustable ankle areas, which is something you don't often see on a pair of joggers. This is just a little drawstring to make it nice and tight. So you can kind of cuff it, and then this can just hide underneath like that. So it's super discreet, kind of looks cool if you want that cuffed look or if you want the open pant leg. Either way, you get that variability. Pair of shorts, guys. You know, summer's coming up, man. Summer's coming up, and I had to pick up a pair of their, I guess, basketball cobalt shorts. These things just feel great quality as well. Zipper pockets, which I will say is a blessing because you put your phone in here, this material, you sit down, your phone's gone, your keys are gone, your money's gone. So you really do need these zipper pockets on these, and I just love them. These are going to be definitely a go-to for me this summer. You know, you rock them with a pair of foams, pair of Jordan 1s, whatever you want. These are going to be sick. Represent baggy jeans seem to fit me kind of perfectly, so I'm loving that. And this is the colorway I went with. These were $50, so super steal. This is kind of like a faded blue cream color. Pair of white sneakers with this, a lighter colored t-shirt, even a shirt. Maybe you got a button down. That could look really cool. So, you know, maybe like a summer late night dinner or something. This would be a really cool pair of jeans to rock. Right, we got some t-shirts now. Now, this is an item that has been on their website for the longest, but I managed to get it for 35 pounds, which is a huge steal. I think retail is like $90. Look at that freaking print on it, man. And not just that, you don't just get that insane print on the front, you also get this insane print on the back, which is incredible. I went with a size large because that's the only one they have, but I've literally got represent t-shirts in all sizes, small, medium, and large, and I wear them all. Like this right here I'm wearing is a medium, and then a small might just be a little bit too small for me. But yeah, medium and large is kind of the sweet spot. And then I got two gym t-shirts, so I'll just overlay what I'm wearing in them. So I got the short sleeve and the long sleeve zips. This is from their 247 range. It's just something I wanted to wear to go to the gym, and I think it's like $25 for the 247 t-shirt. So feels really great, super nice, and I guess a lot tighter obviously because you go into the gym. The 3/4 zip is one that I'm a huge fan of. I believe that one was $35. I don't know, do you guys want to see more gym fits? I don't know, I could put together a little gym fit kind of video. I'm definitely going to do a summer shorts video because I know a lot of people want recommendations for shorts to wear this summer, and I've got some really good ideas, so stay tuned for that video. But guys, that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another one. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Why not, you know? Fun times. But until then,